Welcome to OHT News. Here are the top 10 news for today. Number 1. Unlock 5 guidelines issued in September to remain in force till November 30. The center on Tuesday announced that the Unlock 5 guidelines that were announced last month would remain in force up to November 30. Lockdown shall continue to be implemented strictly in the containment zone, it stated. The government also added that there would be no restriction on interstate and intrastate movement of persons and goods. Number 2. Implement waiver of interest on interest scheme RBI to lenders. The RBI has asked all lending institutions including non-banking financial companies to implement the waiver of interest on interest for loans up to Rs 2 crore for the 6-month moratorium period. The waiver applies to MSME loans, housing loans and education loans among others. The RBI had announced the loan moratorium in March to provide borrowers relief during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 3. India-US signed BECA pact at 2+2 ministerial dialogue. India and the United States on Tuesday signed the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, that is BECA, on Geospatial Cooperation after the 2+2 ministerial dialogue. The BECA pact is the last of the 4 fundamental agreements which will allow the militaries of the two countries to share geospatial information, high-end military technology and classified satellite data helpful for defense issues. Number 4. Any Indian citizen can now buy land in Jammu and Kashmir. The Ministry of Home Affairs has notified new land law for the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, allowing any Indian citizen to purchase non-agricultural land. In a gazette notification, the centre omitted permanent resident of the state phrase from the Section 17 of Jammu and Kashmir Development Act. The MHA notification will come into force with immediate effect. Number 5. Piyush Goyal launches first SCO Startup Forum. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal on Tuesday launched the first SCO Startup Forum and said that it will enable member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization to develop and hone their startup collectively, sharing best practices, monetizing and mobilizing capital, and setting up incubator will help strengthen the startup ecosystem, he further added. Number 6. Zoom launches end-to-end encryption for users globally. Zoom has launched end-to-end encryption for all users globally for meetings with up to 200 participants. Account admins will be able and enable the feature in their web dashboard at the account, group and user level. It can also be logged at the account or group level. It is available on Zoom's latest desktop client, Android app and Zoom Rooms. Number 7. Hero MotoCorp to sell Harley Davidson bikes in India. Pawan Munjal-led Hero MotoCorp has signed a distribution deal with Harley Davidson which will allow it to sell the US company's bikes in India and service them. As part of a licensing deal, Hero will also develop a range of motorcycles under the Harley Davidson brand name. Harley had said it will stop sales and shut its manufacturing plant in India. Number 8. Public gardens parks in Pune to reopen from November 1. Public gardens and parks in Pune will reopen from November 1 with regulations in place, Mayor Muralidhar Mohal has said. An official order will be issued soon. He further said the decision was taken in a meeting with Municipal Commissioner. Local residents cooperated with civic administration in the last 7 months, so the infection has come completely under control, he added. Number 9. Allahabad High Court to monitor CBI probe into Hathras case, told SC. The Supreme Court on Tuesday said that the Allahabad High Court will monitor the CBI probe into the alleged murder of the 19-year-old Dalit woman in Uttar Pradesh, Hathras. The court also said that the plea for transfer of trial to Delhi will be considered after the central agency completes its investigation. Number 10. Instagram and Facebook Messenger integration launches in India. Facebook has rolled out Instagram and Messenger integration in India. The features will allow Instagram users to message Facebook friends without leaving the app. The new update is giving Instagram users the option to switch to the new integration or do it later. If users choose to switch to the update, the Messenger icon will replace the Instagram direct icon. Thanks for watching OHT News. Please subscribe for daily updates.